Hello, my pretty people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. When I say that I read books, I only read 2 to 3 genre of the books. The first genre is the romance genre of the books, जहाँ पर I go into this delusional world of romance, जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसे fictional characters मिलते हैं जो एकदम unreachable expectations set कर देता है love में, जिन्हें और कोई achieve ही ना कर पाए. The second genre is the suspense thriller वाला genre, जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसे crazy suspense और plot twist मिले कि मेरा दिमाग ही खराब हो जाए. And the third one is the sad and emotional genre, जहाँ मैं बुक को पढ़ूँ तो मैं इतना रोऊँ कि मुझे 4 दिन तक डिप्रेशन हो जाए. Basically, the books that fucks my mind. And today I'm here recommending you guys the same books. आज I'm going to tell you about the books that made me weep like a baby, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना रुलाया कि मेरे आंखों के आंसू खत्म हो गए. तो let's get into the video. The first book that I'm going to recommend you guys is The Thousand Splendid Suns, जिसकी टाइमलाइन कुछ 1950s की है और जिसका बैकग्राउंड अफगानिस्तान का बैकग्राउंड है. इट्स द कैरेक्टर्स आर फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान. हम अपने घर में बैठ के, अपने कंफर्ट लेवल में बैठ के बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोलते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, हमें ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. बट दिस बुक टेल्स अस दैट वाई फेमिनिज्म इज स्टिल नीडेड and how easy it is to sit in a comfortable place and comment when there are people out there who are actually facing hardships. This book is about 2 female leads, Maryam and Laila. Maryam is an illegitimate child. बचपन से ही वो अपने लाइफ में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करती है. People refer to her as bastard because she is an illegitimate child. And when her mother dies, she thinks कि अब उसके पापा उसका ख्याल रखेंगे, but उसके पापा उसकी शादी करा देते हैं अपना पीछा छुड़वाने के लिए. Her husband is not a very nice human being. He's a bad guy. He abuses her, he beats her, and it's really disappointing and depressing because Maryam, who thought that when she'll marry the guy, maybe she will be happy, but उसकी लाइफ से वो होप ही चली जाती है when she finds out the real character of her husband. Then we have Laila, जिसका चाइल्डहुड बहुत ही अच्छा था, जिसके पेरेंट्स बहुत ही सपोर्टिव थे. इवन आफ्टर लिविंग इन अ सोसाइटी जहाँ पे हर लड़की हिजाब में घूम रही है, हर पेरेंट्स वर सो सपोर्टिव. दे वर सपोर्टिंग हर फॉर स्टडीज कि तुम कुछ पढ़ो लिखो और कुछ बड़ा करो. बट देन अफगानिस्तान में वॉर शुरू हो जाती है. शी लूजेज हर लव्ड वंस एंड नाउ शी हैज टू लिव अलोन इन दिस पथेटिक सोसाइटी. लैला और मरियम एक साथ आ जाते हैं, उनकी लाइफ एक साथ चलती है. वो एक साथ कैसे आते हैं, दैट यू हैव टू रीड इन द बुक. बट every other page of this book, the female leads are facing a new problem. The society is against them. They are not even allowed to step out of their house without a male relative. Like वो घर से बाहर भी नहीं जा सकती, हिजाब तक में घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकती. They are not allowed to study. There are no hospitals for women. And it's so sad because you know that it's not just an imagination. Afghanistan mein right now in 2025 women are still facing these problems under Taliban rule. And वो women अभी भी यही लाइफ जी रही हैं. It is so depressing, so disappointing when you will read this book. Every other page of this book is so beautifully written. जब मैं इस बुक को पढ़ रही थी, trust me, हर एक पेज पे मैंने कोई एक ना एक लाइन हाईलाइट की है बिकॉज हर एक लाइन, हर एक पेज इतना सुंदर तरीके से, इतना क्लियर मैसेज के साथ लिखा गया है. द 2 फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द लाइन्स, द फ्रेजेस दैट आर यूज्ड इन दिस बुक इज so ब्यूटिफुली रिटन. मतलब when I say that you are not ready for this book, trust me, you are actually not ready for this book, but I would still highly recommend you guys to read it because it makes you face the harsh reality of this world कि हम जिस comfort zone में रह रहे हैं, that is not the real world. Real world वो है उन लोगों के साथ है who are in a war situation, जिनके साथ बुरी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. This book will make you सोब लाइक बिल्कुल. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि इस बुक को पढ़कर आपको किसी भी पेज पे हंसी आएगी, किसी भी पेज पे खुशी होगी. यू विल क्राई योर आईज आउट. दिस बुक इज really sad but very well written. The next book that I have for you guys is You Have Read Sam by Dustin Thau. इस बुक को मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ा था, but the characters of this book are still with me. They are still in my heart. दिस बुक इज अबाउट अ 17-year-old जूली जिसका एक बॉयफ्रेंड है सैम और वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बहुत प्यार करती है बट देन वन डे हर बॉयफ्रेंड जस्ट डाइज सैम जस्ट डाइज अनएक्सपेक्टेडली दे डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर गुड बाय किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था इट्स अ सडन डेथ एंड शी एंड इसके बाद जूली जस्ट ग्रीव्स हर लाइफ इज स्टक वो कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है अपनी लाइफ में वो मूव ऑन ही नहीं कर पा रही है बट देन वन डे शी रिसीव्स अ कॉल फ्रॉम सैम्स नंबर एंड व्हेन शी पिक्स इट अप इट इज एक्चुअली सैम नाउ ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ मतलब ये मैजिकल रियलिज्म पे है ऑब्वियसली अ पर्सन हु डाइज कांट कॉल लेकिन इस बुक में ऐसा होता है मैजिकल रियलिज्म है फिक्शन है दे टॉक टू ईच अदर एंड as they talk Julie realizes that she is not ready to say goodbye to Sam वो जिंदगी भर सैम से ऐसे फोन कॉल पे बात करने के लिए तैयार है लेकिन वो उसे गुड बाय बोलने के लिए तैयार नहीं है which is a symbolism for moving on कि वो मूव ऑन करने को तैयार नहीं है हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है if we lose someone very close to us in our life हम लोग मूव ऑन नहीं कर पाते लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं they get stuck in their life because they can't imagine their life without that person which is very heart wrenching but we have to move on someday हमें continue करना पड़ेगा अपनी life and that's what this book shows as we move further into the chapter Julie realizes that she has to say goodbye to Sam उसे goodbye बोलना पड़ेगा उसे move on करना पड़ेगा and this book just makes us realize that love is not just about holding on to someone or something it's about letting it go for your own sake and for the sake of that person. This book is again very beautifully written. Again, you will not laugh, not smile while reading this book. You will cry like a baby. This book is really, really sad, but it also tells you the importance of love and the importance of letting go and how to actually say goodbye to someone, how to actually say goodbye to your loved ones, how to move on with your life. I would highly recommend you guys to read it. The next book is The Kite Runner, which is written by the same author as The Thousand Splendid Suns. This book is again set in Afghanistan. उस book में हमारे पास दो female leads थी इस book में हमारे पास दो male leads हैं आमिर and Hassan. Amir belongs from a rich background and Hassan belongs from a not so very rich background. He's poor, he's a servant's son. And again this book tells us about the harsh reality of the society. Amir and Hassan are friends, but the society is so manipulative and so harsh that they can't digest the friendship of two kids only because they are belonging from different backgrounds. This book is again very, very, very sad. Each page of this book is so well written, so beautifully written. This book is all about love, compassion, friendship, care and everything in between. This book revolves around Amir's guilt. अब आमिर को किस बात का गिल्ट है that you have to read in the book. लेकिन ये पूरी बुक आमिर के गिल्ट के अराउंड ही रिवॉल्व कर रही है. And again this shows us कि कैसे हम लोगों में ही discriminate करना शुरू कर चुके हैं. Like this person can't be my friend because he is belonging from a different religion. This person can't be my friend because he is from different caste, different background. We all are humans. That's what this book tells us कि caste, background, religion से ऊपर हटके we are humans. Again written by the same author इसलिए ये book भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautifully written है. If you are someone who annotates book, trust me you are going to paint this book red. हर एक पेज पे कोई ऐसी beautiful line, ऐसा beautiful phrase है जो मैंने annotate किया है इस book के अंदर. This book is again very sad. You are not going to smile, not going to laugh, no expectations, just cry. But you are going to love this book. The characters of this book are going to remain in your heart even after the book ends. They are going to remain in your heart for a long, long time. The last book that I have for you guys is I Fell in Love with Hope. As the name suggests, this book revolves around the feeling of hope कि कैसे हम सब सिर्फ एक ही feeling की वजह से survive कर रहे हैं, that is hope. We have hope for something better. We have hope that one day in future we'll find a good partner. We have hope for a better future. We have hope that one day we'll achieve everything that we aspired in our life. And how beautiful that is. every one of us is surviving because of one common feeling, that is hope. And the characters of this book makes us realize this thing. They makes us realize the importance of hope. Again, the characters of this book are so well written. They are going to stay in your heart. They are going to stay with you for a long time. They are going to tell you how to hold on to something जब time सही हो तो, कि कैसे पकड़ कर रखना है, जाने नहीं देना, and when to actually let go. The book is so well written. This book is not written like a story, it's written more like a poetry, but very well written, beautiful work. A 10 on 10 read. Go and read it. Yeah. So that was all the books that I had for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have read any of these books, or if you have any more suggestions on such books that is going to make me sob, because I like being sad. So that was it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Tab tak ke liye stay cute, stay chaotic. Bye bye.